My name is Clinton Webb. I'm chair and professor of the Department of Physiology at the Medical College of Georgia in Augusta, Georgia. My specific research area is hypertension. I work on how blood vessels change during the hypertensive process. I'm very interested in vascular reactivity and also in structural changes in the blood vessels. Clinical science publishes papers in a broad range of experimental evidence that bases on human research. It publishes physiology, biochemistry, pharmacology. One major emphasis of the journal is to publish papers that are integrative in nature. And what I mean by that is that they actually link a biological process that may occur in a cell all the way to what happens in the intact organism and how it applies to disease mechanisms in humans. So that's a broad goal of the journal. One of the important things about a review process is it's fast, it's thorough, and it's done by an international board. A manuscript that is using cutting-edge techniques as well as a thorough examination of its hypothesis is really the kind of paper that we're looking for. The important points about the review process: there are no charges for submission of a manuscript to our journal, and there are no page charges after the paper is accepted. And so there are no charges to the authors for publication of their paper. I would like to say a couple of words about the impact factor. This is an important critical assessment of how well the journal is doing in the literature. And I am happy to say that the impact factor for clinical science has increased to about 3.9 as of 2007. This is a very dramatic change in the journal over the last 5 years, and I don't think that you'll find that there's any other journal out there that has done any better in terms of increasing its impact factor. During my term as editor-in-chief of Clinical Science, my vision is to publish the most innovative papers in the area of medicine, with particular emphasis on studies that are translational, taking everything from physiology, biochemistry, molecular biology, to understanding the human disease in its broad terms. I would like to see the journal maintain a high impact factor, and I would also like to see it publish the best papers in the area. My Clinical Science, or MyCS, is a new innovative online feature of the journal. This is a place where you can actually store information that is pertinent to what you do with the journal. Good examples: you could store searches there, you can store critical information that you would like to use for future reference. There's also a referencing guide for you, and it's really an online way to store information that are specific for you.